Hey, Hollywood.
What up?
You want to go put a whoop on a tire?
Let's do it.
Where are we going today?
Middle of BFE.
Right slap in the middle of it, aren't we?
Yep.
And I knew this would happen. Just it hadn't happened since last summer, but we got a road run call when we're on a road call. Actually, it happened earlier this year.
Yeah.
But I remember that we were on one and it was
Right up the road.
right up the road and was able to accommodate them. But anyway, today it was just kind of going the opposite directions, and it was a big fleet, very big fleet. And I didn't want to tell them no, but I said I need 2.5 hours. I think they got another provider, so it is what it is. But we're glad they keep calling. So I think we're headed up to Nowhereville called Fredonia. No, is it Fredonia?
Yeah.
That's it, Fredonia. That's it. Somewhere down on Cement Plant Road or something. We'll go find out. Hey, Hollywood.
What's up?
You want to do a 1-bar drop?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's see if you can do her. No potatoes for you. Oh, man, we're going to have to buy them a whole new trailer now. You hit the rim, sir. That is no good. We may have to just take you out back.
Take me out back.
Well, that worked. That worked kind of nice, sir. You want to put a little more pee in there? Pee on that thing, would you? Oh, yeah. You drank plenty today, didn't you?
Just a little.
All right, well. See if you... God, boys. We have got to get some suspender action on you, man.
Well,
I-
waiting on HR.
You know, well, I think we popped the first beat off. Sometimes that back beat will just come off. See, you think you can get her from there? Oh, you gonna need another back bar? I think your answer's in that hand. Get that bar in there a little more, and then you can use the leverage of the bar. The tire prints, he'd have had it off by now.
Well, you can have it.
Don't you watch his videos?
Which one?
I think it's Corey, the tire prints.
Oh, yeah.
See, he never has problems. Every tire that he does is easy. See?
Come down and do this one.
Well, he would, but he's not here, so you're going to have to do it. There, now you're on the money stretch. Yes, sir. Bingo, baby. That is one bad potato right there. But I got new potatoes. We got the new potato crop going on with a good Herc Strong Guard H-TL. That's what we're doing. No, you ain't got to restart. I just missed that bead. But you can show off with a hefty leg. See if you can do her today. Ooh, pushed back on you a little bit, didn't it? Oh, that was a good bite, sir. That was a good bite. Oh. Nice. You want another bar? So you can do, here, I'll help you. I'll hold that one. Bingo, baby. Here, I'll hold that one. You want to give it a boot stomp or? Ah, shoot, there it is. Sorry, camera guy was focusing on work. Nicely done, though.